What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Samaj back with another episode of City Off Grid Living. Give y'all a quick video real quick. I'm actually getting prepared for a snowstorm that we have coming. So I got the animals in the back, got their food, heat lamp. Gotta get the generator together. The dogs got to get their jacket, pretty much get everybody fed. So I'm probably just sit y'all up back here so that way at least y'all could get a quick view and a quick rundown of it. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm just trying to hurry up because right now it's actually finna start snowing in a little bit, and it's actually supposed to rain too. So I'll be in and out the camera. Give me one moment. All right, so I had to go get their food. They got some leaf lettuce, some carrots, and they got shredded lettuce as well. So gotta go ahead and get them set up real quick. If I cut the video short, it's because it's gonna start raining. So just a heads up, and I have to recontinue to either give y'all another video. But I got my light on. Yeah, it's actually raining now. So yeah, I might have to actually go ahead and cut this video short. But other than that, I'll probably do a quick short reel of me just getting everything together, or after I get it together and getting them set up. I got my light on because it's starting to get dark now. So yeah, let me go ahead and get them together, and I'll be back after I get everything set up. Hopefully, if I can. I'm coming. Just chill, I'm coming. They so impatient. But real quick video, be back.